right, we have moved on. Today we are tackling liners and brow products and mascaras. So I'll spread these out and we'll go through each category, but I mean, come on, who's gonna go through that much liner? I would like to end this with maybe 3 to 4 liners. Do you think I can do it? Maybe just a couple of each kind, because I do use all 3 kinds, and then we'll see about this stuff. So let's start with liner. Okay, so this, love the idea of this. I can just use a black shadow. I really just don't need it, so that can go. These colored liners, guess what? I never ever use, ever. I've got all these colors. I never ever use them, and I think, oh, well, for when I want that. Well, that time has never come, like ever. So those can all go. The L'Oreal lacquer liner, that's all dried out. That can go in the trash. This Ulta one has gotten, it's kind of on the verge. It's almost gone. But I think I might be able to get a little more life out of it. This Catrice Smoky Matte stuff is way old. That can go. This NYX Epic Ink Liner, I hope, is the one I just opened. Why did I mix it in here? Just opened this. Freaking love this. Best liquid liner ever. So that can go, or, whoa, that can stay. This is new to me, but it's like a Maybelline little, like you squeeze the black liner up into the little reservoir and dip your brush in it. It is so freaking cool. Really liking that, and I'm really liking the cushion liner. So I'm going to keep those 2. I think the Ulta one I'm just going to trash because it's kind of on the verge as it is. All right. So let me separate. I've got like some nude ones that you can like put in your waterline. I think I can go get by with just 1. I don't think I need like 5 like I currently have. So I think I'm going to keep, I don't want the stark white. I know that. This is the Infallible one, but it was like a little, it wasn't quite bright enough. So that one can go. The Stay Awake or Fake Awake, whatever, from Tarte. That's probably the one I'm going to keep. These Pixi ones are pretty good too. This one's like pinkish, kind of white almost. That one's actually pretty nice. And then this one's a little more neutral. All right, so I'm going to pass this Pixi one on. I think I'm going to keep both of these because they're very different, you know, that versus that. Those are very different colors, in my opinion. All right, so I've got a lot of brown liners. Do I even wear brown liner? Oh, here's another light one. Whoa, that's like really creamy. Maybe I want that one. It's from Pretty Vulgar. Oh, and it's retractable too. Ooh. That one might be even creamier. Maybe I'll keep the Pretty Vulgar one and just get rid of the other ones because I kind of like that more. Oh, I kind of want to keep the Pixi one. All right. Whatever. I'm not getting anywhere. All right. So the NYX Très Jolie, I was not impressed with. That one I'm going to pass on. That's like a navy blue. That can go. These L'Oreal liquid liners I did not like. Those can go. Catrice one I didn't like. That is brow. This Curvitude one I think I did like. But it was, no, it was, that's what it was. It was almost see-through black. And that was not working for me. So that can go. Ink Outliner Pop Beauty. Oh, this was too fat. I didn't like that either. That can go. J-Cat ones can go. Is this the one that was like, oh, this was the blue one. Actually, this one I did use. I forgot that I used this. And I actually really liked it. It was the only color I like ever used. So that one I actually am going to keep. How could I forget? This e.l.f. liquid liner is old. Rimmel one's really old. The Ilia ones I just didn't really like. These Pretty Vulgar ones, let's see. Retractable. Ooh, that is nice and black. I'm going to keep that. These Pretty Vulgar liners really are good. I mean, these are crazy creamy, so I might actually be keeping all 3 of those. The Ulta one was okay. This, oh my gosh, this Lancome one is so old. That can go. The Clinique Pretty Easy, I think yeah, this one was terrible. Absolutely terrible. The Clinique High Impact Black Kajal. That's not bad, but do I really need it? I don't need 2 browns. I'm just going to keep the 1 brown. This 24/7 one I've been using is pretty black, so I'm going to think about that. This Collab one, that's really black. This is the problem. There are so many good black ones out there. It's like, oh, that's more of a charcoal gray. I'll pass that one on. This L'Oreal one. e.l.f. one. I'll pass on the e.l.f. one. These are all really black. So maybe I'll just keep all of those. I mean, there's nothing wrong. It's the only black liners I have and this Pretty Vulgar one. But they're all soups black. Let me try this Clinique one again. Yeah. This collab brown one. Again, I don't need more than one brown. It's good though. All right, so that means I've got 2 black liquid liners because this Gigi Hadid one I thought had dried out. It is very, very black. So keeping 2 liquid ones, 5 black ones, but I use that every single day. 2 like inner rim kind of white ones, a brown one, and then I've got this blue one that I forgot that I actually do wear. And then 2 kind of more gel creamy like ones. So not bad, getting rid of a ton, so that is a very good feeling. Let's talk mascaras. Here's the problem. I have these, and then I also have more mascaras like in a backup drawer, but the ones I have in the backup drawer are ones that I know I like and I've like repurchased. So most of these are like these 2 I've tried and did not like. Same with the Physicians Formula. The Voluminous Feline is actually pretty good. This this is an Almay one. Total Temptations is pretty good. Worth the Hype is pretty good. So all of these are open. The e.l.f. one, okay. Here we go. This Lash Princess is literally what I'm wearing today. I really, really like it. Definitely keeping that. These, like, there's so many I haven't even tried. Oh, the Marc Jacobs one I freaking hated. That one can go. These 3 can go. The number 7, the Ulta Beauty, and then this Killer Curves Physicians Formula. I hated all 3 of those, and this e.l.f. one. Those can go. I think people liked these Catrice Glam & Doll things, so I feel like I should wait and try those. This one was pretty good, but not enough that I feel like I need to keep using it, so that can go. I just honestly don't have a desire to try either one of these. Oh, I did try the collab one, and it was all right. Total Temptation was good, but out of these 2, I'm always reaching for the Lash Princess, so that one can... Again, like I'm saying, like this, there's nothing wrong with this. I just really do like the Lash Princess better. The Worth the Hype, I feel like I should try a couple more times. So I'm going to keep that. The Voluminous Feline I've had for a while, and the Pixi, those can go in the trash. This Mary Kay one I'm going to pass on to someone that'll be excited to try it. Charlotte Tilbury I want to try. These 2, honestly, I have no interest to try. So I have interest to eventually try the Catrice one and the Charlotte Tilbury. This one I recently purchased for lower lash line. I love. So I'm going to keep that. And then, like I said, I have other ones in, like I've got Lash Paradise I have in my backup drawer and other ones that I already love. So these I'm going to put in that drawer with them and keep these out. All right, brows. This is difficult. I love my Hourglass Arch Brow Pencil in Ash. So any that are in the shade Ash, I'm going to keep. Soft Brunette is just not quite right. So Soft Brunette can go. Ash, I'm going to keep. Is this one in Ash? Yep. Why do I have 2? Maybe I have 3. I have a lot of them. Let's see. These Ilia ones are not quite right. What other ones did oh, this one. Oh my gosh. I tried today and freaking fell in love with. The Maybelline Total Temptation. I have it in... medium brown. This stuff is amazing, so definitely keeping that. I really like the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Keeping that. The Kokie Brow Pomade. I don't feel the need to keep really any of these. Brow setters. This Anastasia Clear Brow Gel is really old. I have apparently 2 of the highbrow. I only need 1. So I'll keep 1, get rid of 1. Pretty Vulgar is getting pretty old. Hourglass gel. Are these all the same thing? Are you kidding me? Oh, these are colored brow gels. I'll let someone else use. I really don't like colored brow gels, so I'll keep the clear one. Glossier Boy Brow. Honestly, I never use. The Milani clear gel is old. This e.l.f. one has got to go. This color is wrong. Wet n Wild one can go. The NYX Control Freak is a pretty good brow gel. These scissors I never use. I should try to use them though. These colors aren't right. The Anastasia one, I think I did like this. Is it getting old? Oh, it's like out. So this one can just go. It's getting old and it's pretty much gone. The brow definer, Define and Fill, I want to keep because I did love that and I repurchased this. And this Revlon one, I think this was one I liked as well. Or no, this one was too dark. So that one can go. And these brow scissors, I do want to try again. So I'm going to keep those. So I'm going to move these two to my like backup drawer of things. So when I run out, I can grab them. And then, yeah, I think this is not too bad. This is everything I'm getting rid of. Just tons of stuff. Some of it's going to go in the garbage. Some of it will get donated. These are things that are brand new that I'm going to move to my like backup drawer. And then this is what I'm keeping. 2 mascaras that are open. The liners I already showed you, and then my brow stuff. So that is a very good feeling. If you like this kind of video, definitely subscribe. Stay tuned for more declutters. I will link my playlist of declutters below if you're interested to watch more. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.